What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweet of Money Dick. Anyways, yo, today's kind of chilly. We got stuff to do. So, in today's episode, what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be telling you guys about my experience with my 2013 Ford Fusion. I've had this car since 2015. It's my first actual car, you could say. So, I'm going to be telling you guys more about it. I think it's one of the highest mileage Ford Fusion right now, currently. I checked on the market. It's almost at 300k. I think it's pretty much 300k at this point. So, I've done some work on it. I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what I've did on it. It's kind of a refresh, but it's just going to be like from 2015 to now, so my 4 years experience of having it and with a lot of mileage on it. So I'm going to do a cold start and tell you guys more about it and tell you guys if it's reliable, if you guys should consider getting a Ford Fusion as your first car, or why not. Alright, yalla. Alright, here comes the cold start of my 2013 Ford Fusion. Like that is because I straight pipe my 2013 I think that was one of my first videos on YouTube that I did. So if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you browse through my channel and then go check out that video. So that was a cool start. Obviously it's a 1.6 liter EcoBoost. I haven't done any modification on it besides having a magnetic flow exhaust system on it, and I straight pipe the exhaust. So that's why it kind of sounds the way it does. And yeah, so far so good. Sounds good. I like it. Yeah, yalla. Yo, so like I was saying, over here it's at $299. I'm gonna just let the camera focus just a little bit. There we go. So it's at $299. So this is the highest mileage 2013 Ford Fusion currently on the market listed. So yeah, interior, it's kind of dirty, but you know, it is what it is. I use it as a daily. So that's what you have interior wise. And look at the back. Have all my shit for work. It is what it is. I'm gonna get it clean. So yeah, so there you guys have it, my 2013 Ford Fusion. But let's take it for a drive and then see how it drives. Yeah, so what's like driving this car at especially right now, it's kind of, so this is the first snow that we're getting, actually the second one this year, 2021 November 15, I believe. I don't even know the date, yo. Anyways, so yeah, if this car is reliable, for the last 6 years that I've owned this car, and it has 300k. I mean, after this video it's gonna like be 200k. So anyways, reliability, it's good. So what I've replaced so far, the windshield wiper, I've replaced that 3 times for the last 6 years. I did my suspension, the shocks, I replaced that twice, and I can go over 130. Actually, I can go over, however it overheats over there. So as you can see, that's the engine temperature, it overheats. It just happened just with my car. It may happen with other cars, I don't know. If you guys do know, let me know down in the comments. Nonetheless, what else did I replace? Besides that, just regular oil change. It takes regular oil, $30 to $40 or $50 at most for an oil change. So it's not so bad. I mean, you can do it yourself too if you're handy or you have the tools to do it yourself. And yeah, if not, I haven't replaced any major component, except I also did replace the cooling. So the cooling, it kind of exploded same time as my Audi. So that's what I replaced on that. But beside that, as you can see, I have all these freaking lights going off. So I'm gonna be replacing most likely another suspension. So the shocks on these cars are really shit. And that's the problem with these cars. So I'm gonna be replacing that. So as you can see, I have all those lights there. Sometimes I also get the parking brake that comes on. If I do get it, it happens once in a while though. So that's why the car is kind of noisy. But beside that, it's pretty comfortable. Hi yo, so yeah, like I was saying before, earlier, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna just do like a walk around. So far, what I've had with this car is like little cuts and scratches. Like over here, as you can see from the hood, this is all like, you know, rust and other stuff. How to change the headlights as well. Over there, I'm supposed to have the fog lights, but they are there. So obviously, that piece, they all got broken. You can always fix that. Obviously, change the tires, which I changed the tires, got the winter tires. I also changed the battery. Since the car, so I've changed the battery twice now for the last 6 years. I've changed the battery twice. The car is super 30. It is what it is. And I try to like debatch it over here, even though they have the Fusion. But this is the SE 1.6. And so all the stuff that I got from Summit. This car is not sponsored by Summit by any means, you know. So yeah, and I was gonna change the grill. So this grill got broken. As you can see over there, it got broken. But nonetheless, I'm in love with my car. I'm gonna trade it, not trade it, but I'm gonna sell it, or I'm gonna give it to my brother. Which I might give it to my brother so he could practice his driving and stuff. You feel what I'm saying? And what you guys suggest for me to get? I was thinking about like a Q50. What do you guys think about that for a daily? What would you guys want to see for a good daily where we can do like good projects for the daily? That's what I'm thinking to do now, is to get like a good daily where we can modify it and build it together. You dig what I'm saying? But nonetheless, if you guys have any question, leave it down in the comment below. Make sure you guys put your post notification on, because for some reason some people have been telling me they don't get a notification every time I upload a video. So make sure you guys have your post notification turned on, and also make sure you guys like, subscribe. Majority of you guys aren't subscribed, so please make sure you guys subscribe, and also follow your man on Instagram, X_SweeterMan. But with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Alright? YOLO!